So good afternoon, sir. Today me Bipin Chaulaga and my friend Sarvesh Sarthak have made the model of aquatic ecosystem. The sir from grade 9 Janaki section. So water ecosystem is the system in which living organism interact with non-living organism. There are mainly two types of water ecosystem. They are freshwater ecosystem and marine water ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem include river, lakes, seas, etc. It is called freshwater ecosystem because the water is not salty in this. But in marine ecosystem, it include oceans and seas. It is called marine ecosystem because the water is salty in it. So there are two components in water ecosystem: abiotic components and biotic components. In biotic components, producer, consumer, and decomposer include. In producer, the organism, the plant, it include plants, etc. In consumer, frogs, fish, shark, tuna, etc. include. In decomposer, bacteria and fungi are included. The abiotic component includes water, air, soil, sand, etc. Water ecosystem is very important in our life for both humans and organisms. For humans, most of the fishermen depends on water ecosystem for food, while most of the aquatic organism depend on aquatic ecosystem for habitat. So it is very important for both humans and organism. So nowadays people are harming the water ecosystem by polluting it, by throwing wastage in pond ecosystem or water ecosystem. So the following ways are we need to follow to conserve it. The first we need to spread awareness. So because most of the people are doing this because lack of awareness. Second point is we should reduce the plastic waste and we should reduce pollution. We should aware people about it, and we should not overfish. So and we have made the different zones of oceans. Let's talk about the life without water ecosystem. Since not possible without water ecosystem. Water ecosystem provides oxygen, which helps us breathing, which makes possible life. And water ecosystem helps to provide habitat for aquatic animals. It helps to provide fruit. It helps to balance the environment, and it helps in climate. It helps in proper climate. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to be explaining about food chain and food web, which is a subtopic inside of our chapter Nature and Environment. First of all, my friend is going to be explaining about food chain.
A food chain is a flow of energy which increase instability in ecosystem. There are two types of food chain. One is detritus food chain and another is grazing food chain. Now Sonika will explain about the importance of food chain.
The importance of food chains are it gives the energy source, and it is the energy source. It maintains the ecosystem balance. It helps to support biodiversity. It helps in human survival.
Now I'm going to explain about food chain, food web. As you can see in this picture, food web is defined as the interrelationship between different food chain. Rabbit eats carrot, then vulture again eats dead sparrow and rabbit. There are different components of food web: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Some importance of food web are: it helps to maintain the species population. It also recycles the nutrients and through decomposers, which is essential for the soil.
So I'm introducing about food chain and food web. Food chain is a single pathway of energy flow, whereas food web is the network of interconnected food chains. This is the structure of food chain. Food chain is simple and linear, whereas food web is complex. This is the energy flow. This is the stability of food chain. Food chain is unstable, whereas food web is stable. This is the model of food chain. Here is a plants which is producer. It is eaten by deer. Deer is eaten by lion, and after lion dies, mushroom decomposes it. After this, it mixes into soil and again become producer.
Now I'm going to talk about the interconnection of food chain and food web. The composition. A food web is a collection of various food chains. Pathways. Food chain follows a single pathway, whereas a food web follows multiple pathways. Complexity. Food chains are simple and linear, whereas food webs are complex and branched. Trophic level. In a food chain, an organism can't occupy multiple trophic levels across different chains, but one organism can in a food web. Stability. Food webs show ecosystem stability. Food chains only show single link of survival. Realism. Food chains are theoretical models, whereas food webs show real world. Whereas food chains show real world interaction of various organisms. Thank you.
Good afternoon to our respected sciencers. So today we are here to present on the topic ecosystem. So today we are here. So it is a poster presentation related to that topic. So this poster is prepared by our group, 6 members including myself. So firstly, let's understand about the ecosystem. Who introduced the word ecosystem? So firstly, the word ecosystem was introduced by A.G. Tansley in 1935. So ecosystem refer to the interaction between the living organisms and non-living organisms in the surrounding. So now let's understand about the ecology. So ecology, it is a branch of science that studies about the relationship between the organisms and their surrounding. So there are 2 types of ecological factor. They are biotic factor and abiotic factor. So there are 3 types of biotic factor. They are producer, consumer, and decomposer. So about the producer, they are the organisms who prepare their own food, such as green plants and algae, and they are the consumers. There are 3 types of consumers. They are tertiary, primary, secondary, and tertiary. So primary consumers depend on producer, and secondary consumer depends on primary consumers, and tertiary consumers depends on both primary and secondary consumers, and decomposers. So about the decomposer, decomposer depends on dead and decayed matter such as fungi, algae, yeast, etc. So now about the abiotic factors. So we have basically put like 4 pictures of abiotic factors. These are air generated pictures. So about the air, so air, it is a mixture of various gases, and it is essential for respiration and photosynthesis process. And solar energy, sun is the major source of solar energy. All the other source of energy depends on solar energy, directly or indirectly. And now about soil. Soil, it is a mixture of approximately 45% minerals, 5% organic matters, 20 to 30% air, and 20 to 30% water. It provides nutrients. And about water, so like 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water, which is responsible for like metabolism activities. These are the picture of all the abiotic factors in one frame, and this picture includes both biotic and abiotic factors. And there are 2 types of ecosystem, which is terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. So this is land ecosystem, both land and desert. This is land ecosystem, this is desert ecosystem, and this is forest ecosystem, whereas these are the aquatic ecosystem. Thank you.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege to address to you today and to be engaged on the topic of subject of and considerable significance. We are delighted to introduce ourselves as Eva Bazgai,
Sudhina Shrestha,
Sayana Giri,
Priyansi Brother,
Krishna Gadra, Aradhya Saha.
The focal point of our poster presentation revolves around interaction between organisms. There are mainly two types of interaction. They are positive interaction as well as the negative interaction. Let's discuss about the positive interaction. Positive interaction are classified into two types. They are mutualism and commensalism. Negative interaction are described into four types. They are predation, parasitism, competition, and amensalism. Let's discuss about what is positive interaction. It in between any two organisms where one or both of the organisms have the value-added outcome, and commensalism. Here we can see the example of mutualism. जसमा चाहिँ एउटा फ्लावरको माथि बटरफ्लाई बसेको छ हैन. That means फ्लावर र यता चाहिँ बटरफ्लाईलाई दुवैलाई फाइदा हुन्छ. कसरी भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ फ्लावरमा जब यो बटरफ्लाई बसेको छ, फ्लावरबाट चाहिँ बटरफ्लाईले आफ्नो फुड अब्टेन गर्छ अनि फ्लावरलाई पनि त्यसबाट चाहिँ फाइदा हुन्छ, बेनिफिट हुन्छ, पोलिनेसनमा हेल्प गर्छ. यो एउटा मात्र फुलमा बस्दैन, चाहिँ धेरैवटा फुलमा गएर घुमिरहेको हुन्छ. त्यही भएर यता पनि हामीले म्युचुअलिजमकै एक्जाम्पल दिएको छौँ. यसमा चाहिँ बिजहरू र यो चाहिँ बिजहरू र बटरफ्लाई चाहिँ एजेन्टको काम गर्छ पोलिनेसनमा अनि त्यसले चाहिँ रिप्रोडक्सनमा हेल्प गर्छ. नेक्स्ट वान इज द commensalism. Commensalism is the interaction between any two organisms where one has the value added outcome whereas another one is neither harmed it nor destroyed it. अब अर्को भनेको चाहिँ नेगेटिभ इन्टरेक्सन. लेट्स टक अबाउट द नेगेटिभ इन्टरेक्सन. नेगेटिभ इन्टरेक्सनको मैले पहिला भने जस्तै चारवटा टाइप छ. दे आर प्रेडेसन, प्यारासाइटिजम, competition as well as the amensalism. Start with predation. Predation is an interaction between any two organisms when larger partner obtains the food from the smaller partner. अनि let's talk about the parasitism. Parasitism भनेको चाहिँ प्रेडेसनको चाहिँ फुल्ली अपोजिट हो. यसमा चाहिँ हामीले के भनेको थियौँ भन्दाखेरि लार्जर पार्टनरले स्मलर पार्टनरबाट चाहिँ फुड अब्टेन गर्छ. तर यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि डिनिभिटेड पार्टनरले चाहिँ लार्जर पार्टनरबाट फुड अब्टेन गर्छ. यो चाहिँ होस्ट भयो, यो चाहिँ प्यारासाइट भयो होइन. अनि होस्टको बडीमा बसेर चाहिँ प्यारासाइटले आफ्नो फुड अब्टेन गर्छ इन अर्डर टु सर्भाइभ. Let's talk about the competition. Competition is an interaction between any two organisms where both of the organisms suffers the negative consequence. They are of two types. They are intraspecies competition and interspecies competition. Intraspecies competition भनेको चाहिँ दुईटा सेम अर्गानिजम्सको बिचमा चाहिँ हुने कम्पिटिसन हो जसमा चाहिँ दुवै नै डिस्ट्रोय नै हुन्छ. अनि इन्टरस्पेसिस भनेको चाहिँ दुईटा डिफ्रेन्ट अर्गानिजम्सको बिचमा हुने इन्टरेक्सन हो. यसमा पनि दुवै नै यो चाहिँ किन यसमा पनि दुवै नै डिस्ट्रोय हुन्छ. अनि अर्को भनेको चाहिँ यो चाहिँ किन हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ सेल्टरको लागि, मिटिङ्सको लागि र फुड्सको लागि. अनि यहाँ अझै एउटा इक्जाम्पल छ. अनि अब यसमा चाहिँ हामीले धेरैवटा त्यो टाइप्सहरू चाहिँ अलिकति एक्सप्लेन गर्न ट्राई गरेको छौँ. अनि यसमा चाहिँ सबै एक्जाम्पलहरू र इन्टरेक्सनहरू देखाउन खोजेको छौँ. यो चाहिँ कमेन्सलिजमको भयो. At the end of this presentation, we have a strong conclusion that इन्टरेक्सनहरू चाहिँ अर्गानिजमको बिचमा धेरै नै हुन्छ. अनि त्यसमध्ये भनेको चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ राम्ररी एक्सप्लेन गर्न खोजेको छौँ. होप यु लाइक दिस. थ्याङ्क यू.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today is me Ujasvi. Today I am here to give a brief information about water ecosystem. Firstly, the introduction. I would call my friend Subarna to give an introduction about it.
Today it's me Sadiksha and my friend
Asika, Shreya Parazulu,
Arya Koirala. Today here to present about the introduction of the ecosystem and ecology. So we have tried here to explain what an ecosystem and ecology.
afternoon, respected Sir, Madam, Honorable Judge, and my fellow participants standing before you today as a group.
Good afternoon and namaste to my science teacher Santosh sir. Today we are about to give a poster presentation on the topic of interaction among living beings. There are mainly 5 types.
Good afternoon, present here. We are from grade 9 and sections is present about adverse impact of climate change and global warming on ecosystem. And
Good afternoon, sir. This is our project about food chain and food web. Here we have made
good afternoon, everyone. Today, my name is Vaishnav from class 9 Lumini, going to represent trophic level in the ecosystem. Today, I have our team has represented the trophic level in the ecosystem with.
Namaste everyone. We are the group of 5 members, including myself, me Grishma Lamsal,
Iman Pradhananga,
Jasmine Pramin.
Shreya Napit.
Prisma Gairapiple.
First of all, we would like to thank our science sir Santosh Nepal sir for giving us this wonderful opportunity to show our creativity on poster presentation.
Today we are representing land ecosystem. In first, let's know what is ecosystem.
Afternoon, myself Sudhir Sister. We are from class 9 Lumini and our project is land ecosystem.
competition.
Cuban competition. यो चाहिँ म्युचुअलिजम यो अर्को कमेन्सलिजम यो पनि कमेन्सलिजम यो म्युचुअलिजम
कसरी हुन्छ
यसमा चाहिँ खाएपछि चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि क्रोकोडाइलको टिथहरूमा चाहिँ त्यो खानाहरू पसेको हुन्छ होइन क्रोकोडाइलले अनि त्यो पछाडि आफ्नो मुख चाहिँ खुल्ला गरेर सुत्छ अनि चराहरू आएर चाहिँ त्यही खानामा डिपेन्ड भएर अनि एकअर्कालाई हेल्पै गरेको भए
त्यो क्रोकोडाइलले चरालाई खान्न
खाँदैन त्यो त्यसकै यो कम्पिटिसनले के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि बीहरूले चाहिँ रुखमा आफ्नो हनी बनाएको हुन्छ होइन अनि के हुन्छ त्यो रुखलाई चाहिँ केही पनि इफेक्ट हुँदैन तर बीलाई चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि हनी बनाउन पायो त्यही भएर चाहिँ फाइदा भयो
कम्पिटिसन
चाहिँ दुईवटा टाइपको हुन्छ इन्ट्रा स्पेसिस अनि इन्टर स्पेसिस एउटा इन्ट्रा भनेको चाहिँ दुईवटा सेम अर्गानिजम्सहरू चाहिँ फुड सेल्टर मिटिङ्सको लागि चाहिँ फाइट गर्ने भयो इन्टर स्पेसिस भनेको चाहिँ दुईवटा डिफ्रेन्ट अर्गानिजम्सहरू चाहिँ फाइट गर्ने भयो अनि अर्को